Imagine you're from the city and you go for a drive in the country. The first time you see a cow, you'd say, "Look, a cow!" But you'd be hard-pressed to find a countryside with only one cow. In all likelihood, that first cow will be followed by hundreds and hundreds of its brown or black and white brothers and sisters, a sight becoming so common that you probably won't even notice them after a while. But now, imagine you come across a purple cow. It's a cow, sure, but this is a purple cow. That would make even a lifelong dairy farmer stop and say, "Wow!" So that's what you do. You stop the car to look at the purple cow. You take a picture and post it to Facebook. You text it to your friends and say, "You gotta see this purple cow!" That cow is striking, extraordinary, and unusual. It's worthy of notice or attention. It's remarkable. But what makes that cow remarkable? It's not remarkable because it says it's unusual or extraordinary, although a talking cow would be pretty remarkable. It's remarkable because it is extraordinary. Its purple color makes it different from the other ordinary cows out there. Saying you're remarkable doesn't make you remarkable. Being remarkable does. So here's the million-dollar question. Is ImageFIRST remarkable? If you said yes, and I hope you did, the next question is why? What is it about ImageFIRST that makes us remarkable? First of all, it's our customer advocates. Every other linen and laundry service has a delivery person. We don't. We have customer advocates who, as a part of their job descriptions, just happen to pick up and deliver medical laundry. So if customer advocates aren't delivery people, what are they? They are our customers' main point of contact with ImageFIRST, and they're champion for all things laundry related. Our customers see the same customer advocate each time and work with them to make their practice a success. How? Well, our customer advocates ensure accurate and on-time deliveries so that the right items are there when they're needed. They also streamline inventory management to ensure that the customer has enough linen, scrubs, and garments on hand to deliver excellent patient care while still managing cost and increasing efficiency. One way they do this is through our same-day linen rescue. Although our customer advocates work hard to determine optimum inventory levels, things happen, like spills, varying patient loads, or that one really cold patient who wants 10 blankets. Suddenly you're worried about having enough inventory to care for your patients. Who you gonna call? The Ghostbusters can't help, but your customer advocate can. If you call your customer advocate by 10 a.m., those additional linens you need will be delivered by the end of the day. Now that's remarkable. You might wonder though, how are you going to call your customer advocate? You could call our 800 number, or if you have a smartphone, you could use our Instant Response app. A few simple taps on your screen and voila! You can contact your customer advocate, your service manager, your general manager, our 24/7 response line, or your local pizza parlor. Okay, so you can't order pizza, but it's still pretty cool. Now that we've talked about how the products get delivered, let's look at the products themselves. You might have plenty of gowns on hand, but if they're stained, torn, or threadbare, who will want to wear them? That leads us to something else that makes us remarkable: Assurance First. Assurance First is our promise that your gowns, garments, and linens will be the high quality that you and your patients deserve. We can make this promise because of our 5-point quality checkpoint system, which includes 1. Supplying premium products, 2. The highest quality of cleaning and sanitizing, 3. Hand inspection of all products to ensure they meet our standards, like our bright white standard for linens, 4. Individual packaging and/or sealing of products, and 5. Independent laboratory testing to ensure compliance with government standards. You can brush a horse all you want, but it will never turn into a unicorn. Likewise, no matter how clean your products are, if they are inferior to begin with, nothing you can do will ever make them better. We know that you and your patients deserve the best, so we only buy premium products that will elevate your practice's image, and we test them for durability before we ever place our first order for them. There are some nasty germs out there, so we wash all our products in an advanced wash formula that kills 99.999% of common pathogens. In layman's terms, that means it's sanitized, which is a higher level of cleanliness than hygienically clean. We don't stop there though. We also put our products through a softening process that involves a backstat bioshield, so that bacteria that lands on the garment doesn't spread. We inspect our products for holes, stains, tears, and other defects, including making sure our linens meet our bright white standard. See, when white linens get used and washed over and over, sometimes that initial bright white turns into more of a pearl gray. No matter how clean that gray sheet is, it's going to look dirty and dingy next to a bright white sheet, especially if they're on the same bed. That's why we use special processing practices and hand inspect our linen to make sure that our premium products always look like premium products and that our white products are actually white. Once a product passes our inspection, it's time to hit the road. To prepare for the trip, we package each of our patient gowns in a sealed and recyclable plastic gown bag, while all of our other products are also either sealed or wrapped in plastic for increased infection prevention during delivery. You will never get bundles of gowns tied with twine or stacks of sheets unwrapped in a cart from ImageFIRST. This practice of wrapping our products, combined with our sanitizing wash formula and backstat softening process, makes up our triple bioshield protection process. When it comes to germs, seeing shouldn't be believing. Just because something looks clean, it doesn't mean that it is. That's why we have our products tested by an independent laboratory. We get confirmation that our processes are working as they should, and you get evidence, not just promises. When was the last time you wanted to steal your gown from your doctor's office? You're probably thinking, never! But wait until you try our new Comfort Care line of products. These products are made of microfiber, so they're durable and practical for our customers while being warm and cozy for their patients. Warm and cozy aren't words usually used to describe patient gowns, but trust us, if you use our Comfort Care products in your facility, you may want to let the patients wear the scrubs so you can wear the gowns. And that brings us to Value First. At ImageFIRST, we make sure that the value you get always exceeds the price you pay. How? Well, let me ask you this. What is your time worth? Trying to figure out confusing invoices, calling your linen company for special deliveries, or trying to figure out how much product you have on hand takes up a lot of valuable time. Time that could be better spent providing care to your patients. Our prices are set per piece and stated clearly on the invoice, so you know exactly what each item is costing you. With each delivery, you'll get an easy-to-understand invoice that lists your par levels and pickup amounts, so you can see in just one glance how many items we picked up and what you're paying for. When your linen is delivered, we do an immediate exchange of clean linen for dirty. For example, if we pick up 32 dirty towels, we replace them with 32 clean ones. That way, each delivery will return you to your set par levels. It's a one-and-done thing. It takes one visit to make the switch, one guy does the counting, and one invoice tells you all you need to know. Finally, your customer advocate will work with you to manage your inventory, making sure that you have enough inventory to satisfy your needs without wasting money. So there you have it. That's what makes ImageFIRST remarkable. As the cost-effective solution for greater patient satisfaction, it's not what we say that makes us remarkable, it's what we do each and every day that does.